How to cook butter chicken. First, turn on the heat. Put some clarified butter. We're gonna use red curry paste. Now it smells really good. Now we're gonna add the chicken. And just mix that in. Alright, it's all mixed. So now we're going to put the heat on medium. As you can see, there's not much water in there. But once we let it simmer for a while, all the natural juices of the chicken will just come out. Now we're just gonna wait and relax. What? What are you looking at? Yeah, you better walk away. Hey, what are you doing, huh? Can't do that. Oh, you can't do that. You bad dog. You bad dog. Mocha, come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Mocha. Good boy. Latte, get out of here. No one wants you. Alright, now all the natural juices are out. Look at that. Next up is add some butter. How much? I have no idea. The butter has melted. We're gonna add coconut milk. And then we're just gonna mix it. I think I made too much. And there you have it. Chicken curry, I think.